Today we'll be doing some more practice with writing thesis statements. What is a thesis statement? Well, a thesis statement makes a claim about a topic, in this case, your book. The claim should be your interpretation of the character or the theme of the book. The thesis statement is something that can be argued, which means people may feel differently. So let's do crow call, for example. If we're going to write a thesis statement based on character, what do we know about the main character, Liz? She's hesitant to trust, she's shy, she wants her dad's approval. So let's try and put those things into a possible thesis statement. One statement could be that Liz, the main character in the book Crow Call, seeks approval from her father. Or we could say Liz, the main character in the book Crow Call, is shy and hesitant to trust others. However, notice that the title of the book is mentioned in both of these thesis statements. So is the character, obviously. Let's take a look at maybe possibly creating a thesis statement about theme. What lessons did the character learn in the book? She learned that trusting someone takes time and that sometimes absence makes relationships stronger. So let's look at these examples. Lois Lowry in the book Crow Call teaches readers that even after a long absence, if two people care about each other, it is possible to pick up where the relationship left off. Or Lois Lowry in Crow Call teaches the readers that rebuilding trust in a relationship takes time. I want you to notice also here that the title and the author is mentioned, and both use the phrase that the author teaches the reader. In both cases, teaches the reader. It's kind of important to word it that way. So now I want you to try it. Come up with a thesis statement using the theme from the book Fox. Ask yourself, is this something that can be argued, or is it your perspective on the theme? Or, is it your perspective on the theme? Okay, pause now and go ahead and do that. Okay, some possible thesis statements you could have gotten from Fox might be that in the book Fox, written by, I don't remember who wrote it, the author teaches the reader that you should be careful who you trust, or that acting selfishly can sometimes have consequences. There's several themes you could have come up with in that book. So when you read over your draft today, look at your thesis statement. Is it something that can be argued rather than just a summary of facts? Spend some time revising your thesis statement so that it is clear, concise, and makes a claim. Be sure it is not just a statement or a fact, such as you could say, magpie is a bird that is broken. That's just a fact. She has a broken wing, right? So you're not going to just state facts. Liz has been away from her father for a long time. That's just a fact. That's not going to work for a thesis statement. All right, so off you go. When you're done with that, you can read for the rest of the hour.